That's why they carry all that.
Huh?
Let's see. What have I got in my saddlebag?
I've traveled a lot of places in my lifetime, but nothing is as beautiful as Kentucky is in the summer and fall. It's beautiful here. Just all the rolling hills and just everything you can find. The debacles, it happens. So me and my brother are out riding probably about, well, we've been riding for about 3 hours, but we're about 45 minutes away from home. But my clutch is starting to act up, so I'm gonna sit here and try to get it adjusted. So y'all can watch along too. You gonna get in there for me? Be my cameraman.
What are you doing?
Loosen that jam nut up right there and adjust my clutch cable. Maybe I need to bring it back around for a little bit. worse. So we can go the other way.
I'm trying to say, it looks like it's exclusive in there.
This is why you always bring tools. Don't know if I'm gonna have to change the clutch or if that spring, maybe it's got too much torque now after the cam change.
Right there, don't go further. You only got like a fourth of an inch.
Spring it back good. It's about right. What do you think? Feel good?
Close enough.
Felt better than what it did. Give it one more just for good measure. What'd that feel like? Too much?
It's right there.
Right there?
You can't go no farther. Lock it down.
Sucks having a lowered bike, you can't get into anything.
That's it.
That's it.
And that's why I want to go with it.
Tell them about your gold wing, bub. Show them the back tire and everything you've done to it while I'm finishing
I don't know what I've done to it.
it. Tell them who you are. Tell them.
No,
Okay.
I don't like him. He might not like me. And you can edit this part out. Yeah, you're supposed to order clutch pack.
I believe so too.
And
Look that up once before,
that's why
please.
they
About 400
carry all that.
Huh?
Let's see. What have I got in my saddlebag?
Yeah, but you got to admit, all the miles we put on, that's all I've got. That's
A Coke. Rain gear. Ho-hos. That's it. No tools. Don't have to.
What year is yours?
What?
08?
Yep. Oh, you got ho-ho too.
Huh?
And cleaning rags,
Yeah.
tools.
You got need any cleaning rags?
No. You don't have to look good to break down.
I got baby wipes too, just in case you gotta
Hmm.
take a crap in the woods.
I like that. Sounds just right.
Sounds good.
Loud but not loud.
All right, this is my brother. We're not related, but he's my brother. We claim each other as brothers. But this is his 2008 Gold Wing. He just bought it, what, last year? Was it last year? He had a V-Star. Nice bike. He claims that I'm the one that built it because every time we look at something, I'm like, you need to order that. You need to order this. I don't want your bike, I want my bike, he said. But great minds think alike, and that's what happened. He ended up with a bike like what I really wanted. Honestly, it turned out kind of similar to this, and I think I've got pictures. I'll put it in one of the corners. One of the GoPros is going off. But we're going to get out of here, get back out on the road, and hopefully my clutch will hold up. All right, guys, out. Pineville, Kentucky, at a place called Chained Rock. Just one of the lookouts. Absolutely beautiful up here.
We're down here in the clouds.
Yeah, we're in the clouds for sure. My ears feels like somebody's got their hand over them. Bikes are doing good. I got a feeling I'm definitely gonna have to put a clutch in it though. So this is a rock right here, right? Golly. Never knew this was here.
Oh, you're just right down there. Yeah, we just went around that whole
We just went around the whole side, mountainside.
narrow.
Go look at Chained Rock, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Nobody said we was gonna have to hike. Oh, Lord. We're dead and still going. Said 0.5 miles out on this way, but 0.5 miles has been rough. And we're going downhill. Can't imagine trying to come back out of here, which we're gonna have to do. So this is the Chained Rock.
Yeah, that's a big one. There, look at it. I'm gonna stay over here and die.
Goes all the way over to that one.
Literally a rock chain. Chained rock is really a chained rock.
They say if it ever come loose that it would crush the town. So I believe it. Well, you figure this rock is huge and look how that town is. I'd say it would demolish it.
Something would get hurt. Now we gotta go to Tennessee.
Well, we're not that far. We just got to make it from out of here. All right, guys. We're going to try to make it back to the bikes. What's going on, guys? Well, I didn't get to film an outro. We had a heck of a time. 3,200 feet is where we was at on the elevation, and it took us, there was several stops along the way, and we took those several stops along the way. Chained Rock, if you ever get a chance to go. I highly recommend it. It's neat. It's cool. We had plans to go to Middlesboro and Cumberland Gap, actually. That's what I'm just trying to say. Cumberland Gap, if you don't know, it's 3 states in one. You've got Kentucky, Tennessee, and Virginia all right there. And that was our plan, was to go to Chained Rock, spend a little time there, and then go ride around some more. But that kicked our butts. So we just went and filled up with gas and got us some Gatorade with some electrolytes up in us and headed back home. It 89 degrees and 32, 31, 3,200 in elevation. It put a hurting on us. But guys, you've seen the debacle, the clutch. I'm gonna have to put a clutch in it for sure. Already got it on order, got it here today. I haven't filmed an outro because I've not really felt that great. My allergies have been kicking my butt here in Kentucky. It's bad, it's been horrible. But got Energy One performance clutches. I've done a lot of research, and I just think this would probably be the best option. So it's coming. Probably tomorrow we'll start working on it, tearing it down, and you guys will be there with me. But anyway, guys, I gotta get off here. I got things to do. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.